Embark on 40,000 miles of thrills with Porsche's dynamic Macan T. Introduction. Over the last decade, Porsche has sold hundreds of thousands of Macan SUVs, earning widespread acclaim and securing 10 Best Awards along the way. Despite this success, we've never undertaken a long-term test of this marvel. Until now. With the 2024 Macan T, we're ready to right that wrong and dive into 40,000 miles of G-force-filled excitement, making it your own. If you're itching to drive off in a car straight from dealer stock, prepare to settle for the usual suspects in black, white, or silver. But if you're patient, you can craft a personalized masterpiece like ours. A Macan T in copper ruby metallic, a $700 option in 2024, ballooning to $2,480 for 2025, paired with 20-inch Neodyme bronze-painted wheels for $1,440. The T trim comes packed with features, including adaptive dampers, the Sport Chrono package with launch control, and exclusive sport seats blending pinstriped fabric with black leather bolsters, functional, stylish, and supportive enough to make us gladly pay extra. And, of course, we couldn't resist ticking off a host of tempting options. A 16-speaker Burmester audio system, $5,700. Heated rear seats, $570. 4 cold Michigan winters, LED headlights with gloss black trim, $1,040. And insulated side windows, $920. But the crown jewel of our customization experience? Opting for European delivery, a European adventure like no other. Taking delivery of a Porsche in Germany is an experience that's as unforgettable as the car itself. For $1,500 in 2024, rising to $2,500 for 2025, the package includes registration, insurance, and an unforgettable day in Leipzig or Stuttgart, complete with track sessions and off-road fun. In Leipzig, our delivery began with coffee and snacks before diving into the action. First up was the off-road course, where Kian tackled mud, water, and inclines with ease. Then we hit the tarmac, exploring the limits of Porsche's performance on an 11-corner, 2.3-mile racetrack in a Macan GTS. Finally, the main event, unveiling our custom-built Macan T under a dramatic cover lift. Porsche doesn't stop there. After exploring Germany's sights, highlights included the Bauhaus Museum in Dessau. We dropped off the Macan for shipping to the U.S. Porsche took care of the rest, ensuring our new SUV arrived at our local dealer within weeks. Performance, a mixed bag. Once stateside, the Macan T wasted no time. Break-in period complete, we pushed the turbocharged 2.0-liter engine to its limits. While it delivers a decent 261 horsepower and a 5.4-second 0 to 60 mph sprint with launch control, real-world acceleration feels more leisurely, clocking 6.1 seconds from 5 to 60 mph. Turbo lag under 2,500 RPM is notable, although selecting sport mode improves responsiveness. Fuel economy? At a modest 19 miles per gallon in the city, it's on par with EPA estimates but far from efficient, thanks to the engine's efforts to haul 4,262 pounds of SUV. Longer road trips might improve these numbers, but we're managing expectations for now. Road-ready refinements. As Michigan winters approach, we've swapped the Macan summer tires for Michelin Pilot Alpine 5 SUV winter tires, $1,618. The handling remains sharp, steering responsive, and comfort unshaken. Minor gripes, like limited rear legroom and the smallish 10.9-inch touchscreen, don't detract from the Macan T's luxurious and sporty essence. In Germany or Michigan, Porsche's Macan T continues to be a driver's delight, striking a balance between practicality and fun. With 40,000 miles ahead, we're just getting started on this thrilling journey.